Bruh. What? Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have something super cool for you guys today. It is something I have never seen before, and you know what? I think it's gonna be revolutionary for people that like collect sneakers or, you know, just want to display like their best kicks. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, guys. And before we start, I gotta give a huge shout out to Tobu Sunika for hooking it up for the Untied Ohana, man. We do have a discount code for you guys today. Use code UNTIED at checkout to get 10% off your order. Levitating sneakers, man. It's gonna be so sick. How about we check it out now? So the packaging, first of all, is super sick, dude. You guys can see it right here, Tobu Sunika. So let's open this up over here. This branding is really nice, man. So even in here, you guys can kind of see that flying sneaker right here. You guys can see over here, this is the Tobu Sunika terms of use manual. So you got the manual to put it together. I'm guessing this is one of the magnets, that's how it operates. This is pretty heavy, actually, very heavy. We got a couple like shoe horns, it looks like. I don't know what this is, man. What do we got in here? What is going on here? We also have an instruction manual. It looks like some kind of scale. Charger right here, and actually right here is what the stand looks like. This is the stand right here. So let me take that out real quick. Tobu Sunika. I'm guessing this is the bottom, actually. You guys can see like there's a little charging hole back here. Setup seems super easy, man. Only a couple pieces in here, which is nice. Insert this back here. All right, so that's good there. What else do we have? I should probably read the instructions right before we start. Turn power on. All right, step number 2, we gotta turn it on. All right, we got that plugged in. Ooh, what? So I guess part of the power supply, what it's doing is there's actually like a backlight on this thing. Number 3, place shoe on scale and add weight till 500 G. So that's what that scale is for. It makes sense now. And so the shoe that we'll use for this experiment, or for the first look at the Tobu Sunika, is we'll use the Jordan 1 Union Storm Blue. Then we get the scale over here. We need to get this shoe to 500 G's. So that means we're gonna put in one of these like little weight balls. And so we've hit our threshold of 500 G's. So that means that we're good to go now. So what you're gonna do is turn the sneaker down like this, and then you're gonna insert this magnet over here. It says top. You put it at the top of the sneaker over here. Let me bring this a bit closer for you guys, actually. Let's see it close up. I wanna see it close up. Insert to the top of the sneaker over here, and then that is super dope. There's that levitation right there. What basically is happening is there's like a magnetic force which is causing the magnet in the shoe with a certain weight, which is why the weight is important, to levitate. So what I noticed when I was trying to set it up actually is that there's like a sweet spot you need to hit, because if you put the magnet too close to the top, it will cause the shoe to like kind of be flush against the top, and that's not really levitation, right? That's just a magnet holding a shoe. But because they found like the perfect weight, which is at 500 G's based off of the step-by-step instructions, then that is how we create this levitation effect. So you guys got to kind of play with it a little bit for when you guys get yours. Just imagine having this in like your sneaker room, dude. Your most coveted shoe just floating there. Look at this. This is mind-blowing, man. This is crazy. This is the Tobu Sunika levitating sneaker, man. You guys can see I've been having it up this whole time. No errors at all, no problems. So don't forget to use that discount code today on Tobu Sunika. Use Untied at checkout and you will get 10% off your order, man. I believe shipping is free too, which is great. I just can't stop looking at it, man. This is so sick. So if you guys want to cop yours today, go to Tobu Sunika right now. Use code UNTIED for 10% off. This gets a huge pass from me. Very well made, very well crafted. It feels very solid to me. I have no complaints about this at all. The only complaint, I guess, is that I need more. I need more, man. I want my entire top shelf lined with these so I can have everything floating. So sick. So thank you to Tobu Sunika for hooking up the Untied Ohana. Use code UNTIED at checkout to get 10% off. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new here, feel free to hit subscribe down below. If you guys like the Tobu Sunika, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you on the next video. Aloha. Shoot!